Flightless birds. When we think of birds, we think of flying creatures, flying high up in the sky. But there are some birds that cannot fly. They are called flightless birds. They have wings, but they are of very little use to them. Flightless birds are found all over the world. Here are some pictures of flightless bird. We have to recognize them. First is rhea, found in South America. It can grow to be over 5 feet tall. These flightless birds use their long and powerful legs for escaping. Second is cassowary, mostly found in New Guinea. They are very wary to humans, but if provoked, they are capable of inflicting serious injuries, sometimes fatal, to both dogs and people. They are also known as the world's most dangerous bird. Third is penguin. Penguins are aquatic birds. They can swim fast. They live almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere. Fourth is kakapo, also called owl parrot. They are flightless, nocturnal, ground-dwelling parrots found in New Zealand. Fifth is kiwi. It is also found in New Zealand. Kiwi is nocturnal bird, mostly active in the dark, and it is the world's only wingless bird. Sixth is ostrich. Although they are flightless bird, but they can run up to 43 miles per hour, and they are also the world's largest bird. Next is emu. Emu is the second largest living bird by height. They have tiny, useless wings, but their legs are long and powerful. Last one is takei. Takei is found in New Zealand and is the world's largest living member of the rail family. So now kids, solve the given exercise and send it to my email address. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.